Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, customers stated they had a really bad noise out of the front end. I think it might be an axle. Please check and advise. Well, say no more, fam. We got you. So, we did a front brake job. We found something wrong with the brakes. Axle was fine. We barely road tested the vehicle around the block, and honestly, guys, it's not the brand. It's the neglect that's happening here. The vehicle had damn near 150,000 miles on it, and they pad slapped this rotor right here. And I could tell that they ground down the little rust ridge on this side, but when we get to the other side, it tells a different story. So we got the wheel off, and it looked funny. So what happened here is corrosion got to the vehicle. What happened? Well, let me freaking tell you what happened. Let's Columbo this real quick. So, what I think that happened here, now, they had a panic stop, and from the years of flavor getting between the cheeks, getting between the rotor into these fins, it was one good hard stop. And the rotor broke a little bit here, broke a little bit there, broke a little bit there, and then one day it just started making a horrific noise. And what was going on was this stayed true to the hub because you had the lugs going through. This side, however, was dancing around, as you can see. And that's not corrosion that just happens overnight, ladies and gentlemen. That takes years to accumulate. And they thought it was an axle, and sure enough, we did save them some money. We didn't need an axle, and thank the car gods, we did not need a caliper or a caliper bracket. We were able to save that, sell the customer some brand new brakes, pads, rotors, and a warning sensor, and send them on their way. Very good, guys. So if you start to hear a noise or anything else, don't panic necessarily. Just don't pad slap rotors if they're already in a bad condition, especially like this. Like, you could see, man, like, I bet if I measure that, well, I can't measure it because it's freaking, there's so much material missing from the inside, but usually when I measure rotors, I'll measure in 3 different spots, and I'll go down maybe 10 to 20 millimeters on the rotor, but that right there is about 20 millimeters. This rotor is Gugats. If you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.